Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change underline color in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is PDF file and I'll change this underline color. Now select this review option and click on this underline and select. And this properties option now showing. Click at properties and this is underline style and it's underline color. And you can change the underline color and see this color now says this underline color. So it change properties. It's more color option and it's custom color. Set this one and this color now says this underline color. Also I'll change. Make this one and see this. If you want, you can add new underline. Select add underline text and see this. And similarly, you can change underline color. This. If you want, you can change transparency and this underline style. See this. Yeah. And finally, select this file option. Save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.